Today we're cooking restaurant quality fish at home. I'm talking flaky, tender fish with just a little bit of smoke on it from the grill. Guys, we're gonna grill up some pompano that I got down at the coast last week. We're cooking up this pompano. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna throw on a few shrimp skewers also, talk to you about those a little bit and where I get that shrimp from. But come in here close. Let me show you how to do a grilled pompano fillet. Here are my pompano fillets. You can see them. They are not a scaled fish. They have a skin on them. I'm not gonna take that off. We're gonna leave that on so it's protected from the fire. That grill's running around 450. Cut off the head. There's a lot of meat above the head of a pompano, so went way around and got it. Went down to the tail, but this is a good sized pomp. I did not take off these rib bones. As you can see, there's one right there. I could pull all those out, but that meat's real thin there, so I just went ahead and left them in there for the thickness. So that'll be fine there. And I've got 2 pompano, 4 fillets. We're gonna get these seasoned up. I'll show you how I do that. And then we're gonna get them on the grill. I have the Primo running about 450. But what I'm gonna do is just pat dry these fish. Not gonna worry about this side. We're not even gonna eat that side. If you wanted to, you could, but that's not my intentions. The downside, it's kind of like cooking redfish on the half shell, guys. Same principles. Get them good and dry. I am not going to season these heavily. I'm going to put a light seasoning on them. Use what you want. You could use a Cajun seasoning. It would be really good. If you want something milder, you can pick that out, but that's something you could do. I just have a Cosmos. It's called Secret Stash. They send us ambassadors. And I'm going to use that today. See how it is on fish. But like I said, not too much. We're going to get these on the fire, monitor those. It will not take very long to cook these up. Less than 5 minutes, we'll have them cooked. And we are going to baste these with butter. When we get the grill open here in a second, you'll see I have my melted butter in there. But that's it. We're going to check the fire. If we're at least 450, we're going to get these fillets on there. So let's see where the grill is. Here we go, 462. Nothing wrong with that temperature. Got my butter going over there. I've got this set up with a divider and all the fire's on this side. If I need to go that way, I can. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and lay my fish right over the fire. Right there. And like I said, this will not be a very long cook at all. But I need to get this closed up. That way, I can put that fire out. We're gonna go about 2 minutes. We'll pick it back up, take a look at it. Here are my shrimp skewers I was telling you about. They've been in a marinade. I can put a recipe down below for you to get that marinade, but not gonna put a lot of seasoning on them. If you wanna go back with that seafood, from Cosmos, your favorite one, a Cajun seasoning, all that would be fine. But I would say lightly because the marinade has added flavor to them. So if you wanted to, you could come in here just like this. I'm going to get them on away from the fire. When I open up at the 2 minute mark, these are going to go on. We're going to open this up. It's been 2 minutes. You can see our fish is starting to cook up here real well. And I'm just going to take some butter. And that 450 degree fire, guys, it will flare up on you. But let's get some butter on these. If you wanted to put some of your seasoning in that butter, there wouldn't be anything wrong with that at all. And again, we want to get in and out. We usually have a deflector plate in here. I didn't opt for the deflector plate today. So that's ready to go. Move my butter back here and let's get these shrimp skewers on here. So here we go. And at the end, if we want to, we can throw them over on top of the fire, just get a little char on them. Wouldn't be anything wrong with that at all. And you can see we're getting a flare up. That is not our friend, so let's close it up. So get rid of the flames and just wait another 2 minutes. And those fish are gonna be close to being ready at that 2 minute mark. Another 2 minutes is up. This fish is looking really good. But I'll tell you what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna move some things around, let it offset cook for a minute. I'll grab these skewers. They're gonna end up going right over the fire. But I'm gonna move my fish and let them cook offset for, maybe not 2 minutes, but a minute anyways. Let's do this right here. And again, our skin is what's helping to protect this. When we do this on redfish, they got those big thick scales and thick hide. They really respond well to this type of cooking. But today is pompano. I've also cooked fresh Spanish mackerel this way too. Works really good for those Spanish mackerels. And don't forget my shrimp. Guys, these come from Texas Gold Shrimp. You use the code Chef Johnny on there. I think it's all caps. But Chef Johnny, and they'll give you a discount, just texasgoldshrimp.com. So let's let these cook. We're going to go about 1 minute over here. We'll get the butter off. We'll let this fish rest. And we'll try it and see how it turned out. See if we can get these fish fillets off. Come up here and let you see that. Look at that. Whoa! There you go. Here's our fish fillets. We're going to go right here with them. Beautiful pompano. Shrimp's looking good. I'm going to let them two just kind of sit here offset a little bit longer. Let's flip over our shrimp skewers. These shrimp are really probably done. Just adding some color to them is all I'm doing. Do that. Baste these with butter, and then we'll get it all off and see how they did. Those are looking pretty. Time to find out if I know what I'm talking about when it comes to cooking pompano. I'll tell you what, guys, this fish is looking nice. It's got good color to it. The seasoning I put on it added nice color to it, but it's very pretty. I'm going to come in here and take a piece of this one, let you look up close, and you should be able to see that this fish is light, flaky. Look at that right in the middle. Flakes up. There we go. Look at that. Moist, flaky. That's what we're looking for. Did not pull out all the bones, right? There's a few bones in here. Got to be careful of that. If you want to cut that belly section off, you lose some of that, but I didn't do that. But I bet you this tastes great. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. That pompano that's awesome. Man, that tastes great. I like that seasoning. The butter's good. Probably add a little bit of salt to it if I had to do that again. But I think it's pretty good. But let's pull off one of these shrimp skewers here. And again, my Texas Gold Shrimp. Kid shrimp shipped straight to the house from them. TexasGoldShrimp.com, and Chef Johnny is your discount code. But that's good shrimp. Guys, we're gonna have a great meal. I'm gonna get these inside. The wife, mother-in-law, friends over here. We're gonna have fish and shrimp for lunch. So I hope y'all have a great lunch. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Remember to share this, comment, like, subscribe. All the things we need to do. Find me on YouTube. Find me on Facebook. Chef Johnny's Texas Barbecue. That's where you'll find me at. And we'll see y'all down the road. So long, everybody.